Let's everyone join the session. Preeti ji, please mute yourself.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the online session of Jolly Phonics, organized by Skill Veda. Skill Veda is your partner in transforming education. At Skill Veda, we empower your growth with expert-led learning that's flexible and tailored to you. From certification courses to immersive workshop, we have got a wide range of skill building opportunities designed to unlock your potential and supercharge your career. We are happy to start this fun-filled learning journey with you. In today's class, second class, we will explore new sounds, practice blending, and play fun activities to make reading magical for kids. Let's dive in. Let's extend a warm welcome to Ms. Devjani Das, our expert trainer, educationist, and consultant. With more than 30 years of experience in ECC and Jolly Phonics, she is all set to guide you through this exciting journey. Welcome, Ms. Das.
Thank you so much, Genji, and I welcome all the participants. So, hope all of you are ready for this second class.
Yes, ma'am.
So, Jain ma'am has given sent you one assessment in the group. So that is including the group 1 and group 2. So you will be getting 10 minutes. 10 minutes of time. Finish it. Keep it to yourself. Once you finish, just raise your hands over there. When all of you are finished, I will start dictating it and you will be doing the self-checking. But do it in a paper so that once the self-checking is done, you will be clicking the picture and then sending it to ma'am.
The assignment given in the group, please check the group.
Please check the group. You will get 10 minutes of time. And quickly you will do the 10 minutes. You will be doing it with the sound buttons. Remember we did sound button in last class? All of you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So sound buttons and with the number of sounds you hear. You have to mention that. So sound buttons are always to be done with the red pen. Red pen. You have to do it with a red pen. So quickly do that. I will be dictating the answers. You will do the quick check, self-checking, and then after the class is over, click the picture and send it to Jain ma'am. So it is 4:05. You have to finish it by 4:15. 4:15.
Have you all understood the assignment which I sent in the group?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Please send it again, no, ma'am.
Pardon?
Yes?
Should I send again in the group?
It's done, ma'am.
Yeah, if you are done, just raise your hand, keep your paper ready.
I'm done.
Abhi, don't send in the group because people are doing it. So don't send in the group right now. Send it afterwards, not right now. Manshi Sharma, please delete your assignment for the time being.
Okay, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Everybody has done it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All
Done.
done?
All done. Can we
Yes,
start
ma'am.
the yeah, Debjani ji,
Yes,
we can
ma'am.
start the checking.
Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay. A quick check. So the first word is spin. How many words you can hear? How many sound buttons?
Four.
Four
Four.
sound buttons.
Four.
Okay.
Four sound
Snip.
buttons.
Snip.
Four.
Four sound.
Snap. Snap.
Four sounds.
Four sound.
Pants.
Five.
Five
Five sounds.
Tins.
Five sounds.
Four sounds.
Four, ma'am.
Four sounds.
Pins.
Four
Pins.
sounds.
Naps.
Four.
Four sounds.
Taps.
Four sounds.
Four
Pits.
Four
sounds.
Four sounds.
Sits.
Four sounds.
Four sounds.
Map.
Three sounds.
Three sounds.
Ted.
Three sounds.
Three sounds.
Send.
Four sounds. Four sounds.
Stick.
Three.
Five.
Five sounds.
Ma'am, four.
Stick.
Four.
Four.
sounds. Four
Four, ma'am.
sounds.
So whoever has mentioned 5, please keep it to that. I will then explain. Must.
Four.
Four sounds.
Four.
Four sounds.
So any doubt over here? Any
No, ma'am.
doubt?
No,
No.
ma'am. No doubt. Everything. No,
So the buttons you have mentioned with the red color.
Yes,
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 ma'am.
ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
after the class, click the picture as it is that you have ticked it, self-checking, send it to Jain ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Noted,
Yeah.
ma'am.
So now let's come to group 3. Today we will be doing the group 3. So
Ma'am,
have you
group 3, group 2 not done now. Only group 1 we do.
we did group 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Three,
Yesterday
ma'am.
only group 1. CEHRMD.
We did group 1 and group 2.
Yes, 1 and 2 done.
One.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? 1 and 2 is done. So we will be doing
Yes,
group
ma'am.
3 today.
We can revise, Debjani ji, we can revise for the sometime.
We will
Yeah.
do it after once we finish with group 3 and 4, then we will revise whole 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, ma'am.
If you have any doubt, please go ahead. If you have any doubt in group 2, then you can ask the questions. No problem.
Want me to do group 2 once again?
Yeah, we can do it.
Yes,
we can
ma'am.
do it.
Yes.
You did, na? Kicking K.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
did
Yes,
cat.
ma'am. Yes, I forgot. Sorry, ma'am.
You did it. Okay. Now the group 3. Have you ever tried when you were as a child, like in the wash basin, put a plug and fill the wash basin, and then when you plug it out, have you seen how the water goes down through the outlet?
Yes.
Have you ever seen that? It makes a noise. How it makes a noise? It makes. So can we all do the action together? Go, 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 go,
Yes,
go,
ma'am.
go, go. Go, 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 go. Go will come from here. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Yes, it's a gargling sound, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, how do you, when it's dark, you want to switch on the light, right? So how you switch on the light? Oh, oh, oh. And when it is at the night, when you want to go to sleep, you want to off the light, right? Off. Oh, 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 oh. On, off. Oh, oh. Now it is terribly hot. How is the temperature over there in your place? It's very cold?
Very high. 48.
Very hot.
Terrible. It's terrible, right? So we cannot go out without what?
Under umbrella.
We
Umbrella.
cannot go without an umbrella. So how do you open an umbrella? Ah, 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 ah. Open your mouth. Opening your mouth. Ah, ah, ah.
Umbrella.
Ah, ah.
Umbrella.
Ah, ah, umbrella. Ah, ah,
Umbrella.
Umbrella.
yes. So how many of you in your childhood, but in what childhood? Still I do. I like lollipop. Do you all love lollipop?
Yes.
All of you already know the sound. What is the action? What is the action? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, have you ever seen the plastic fish or the plastic ball which gets at times, while playing, the kids, they get a small hole. I used to love to do that. Once you see that hole and the air starts coming out of that ball or that fish, and when it comes out slowly, what we did as a child, I don't know whether you love to do it or not. I used to do it. I used to pressurize it, and the air used to come out and make a noise. What was the noise? It's not purr. It's not fur. It's
Yes.
no, it's not fur. It is no.
Is correct, ma'am?
No. You listen to me. Am I doing fur? Am I saying fur?
No, ma'am. No.
Then it is
Yes.
am I saying purr?
No, ma'am.
Then who is doing purr? Who is doing fur? Listen to me properly. It is
It's right, ma'am.
now
Not
do it
fur.
all to It's not fur.
Yes,
It's not
ma'am. Yes.
fur. It is not fur. It is not puh. It is
Yes.
because why it is not purr or fur? Because Jolly Phonics teaches you the purest form of the sound.
Yes.
If you say fur, fur is tugging along with it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So it will be then b. Bring your bat and bring your ball. B. 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 B.
Bablu is the big boy.
Bablu is the big boy. Yes.
He
Blue
has
is
a blue
my favorite.
balloon. He has a blue balloon like a
Blue
buck.
blue balloon. Balloon.
Like a buck.
Water gargles down the drain with a gurgle. The water gargles down the drain. Now it starts. The lights go on. Time for bed. The lights go off. Up go umbrellas. Up go umbrellas. Up go umbrellas when it starts to rain. When it starts to rain, when the sun is there. We lick a lollipop. We lick lollipops. It's not l. Listen to this. Went to the bridge with my floating fish. It got a hole, the air came out. Bring your bat and bring your ball. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the parks to play. So the sound is no purr. Who is doing fur? Who is doing fur? Please don't do it fur. It is as if you are blowing a wind out of your mouth.
Yes, ma'am.
We blow the candle like so it's
Like this.
Ma'am,
yes,
correct, ma'am.
yes. Say
Do you have any question?
Sounds,
yes.
ma'am.
Yes. If you cannot just without the finger, you can also, if you are not being, please put a finger here under your lip. Yes. And it is not l. It is just roll your tongue, put it behind your teeth, and then make the noise. Now we have a hand of 5 magical letters, right? Magical letters. Why they are magical? Yeah, but why they are magical? Why they are called magical? Why they are magical?
Ma'am, we represent vowels on our hand.
I know they are vowels, but why vowels are called magical? What is the speciality about it?
मैम
Why?
बिना इसके कोई
Yes.
वर्ड नहीं बनता.
Yes.
Yes,
Without
there.
Different sound.
without these letters, you cannot form a meaningful word. That is the first thing. Second is, these 5 letters have 2 sounds. Okay? They
Yes, ma'am.
have 2 sounds. Correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So what are they? First, let's say ah,
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 eh,
eh,
eh.
eh,
See the formation of my mouth. Ah,
eh,
ah, ah. Then eh,
A,
eh,
A,
eh,
A,
eh,
A,
eh,
eh,
e,
eh,
e,
eh,
e. Ah,
ah,
ah, ah, ah. Then
A,
ah, ah,
A,
ah, 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 umbrella, ah. Open it wide, ah. This is the sound of the letter. Sound of the letter. Now they have another sound. They have their names. You know, there are some people, especially you will find it in Bengali, there are two names. One is a pet name and one is a good name. Right? We all have a pet name. Most of the Bengalis. Kuku, Khoka, Babu, Shona, etc., etc. And then we have a good name. So similarly, this magic 5 letters also have 2 names. One is a sound just now we heard, and we do it with action. Ants on my arm. Then breaking the egg. Inky the mouse. Then on, off, Then umbrella. So these are the sounds that we do it with action. Right?
yes,
Now they have a name also. What are the names? A, E, I, O, U. Right? So A, E, I, O, U is called the long sound, and A, E, O, is called the short sound.
sound. Ma'am, repeat again, ma'am.
Yes. Vowel is the magical letters. Why it is magical? Because without them you cannot form any meaningful word. Right? Can you make a word which doesn't have a vowel?
No.
We cannot, right? So it is. Huh?
No, ma'am.
Can you just switch off your mute your audios? When we are asked, then you can unmute it. Yes. So we cannot make any word without them. That is the first. And secondly, vowels have two sounds. One is the name of this letter, and one is the sound of the letter that we do with action. Right? Do it with action. Now the first is ants on my arm, ants on my arm. Remember? Then crack the eggs, cracks the egg. Then Inky the mouse, Inky the mouse. Then off, on, off, and then umbrella, umbrella. This is the sound we do with action, right? And remember, Jollyphonics is just incomplete without action, full of energy and music and flashcards, puppets. Without that, it is impossible. You cannot do justice to Jollyphonics. So now when you learn this and go back to school, prepare lot of TLMs, teaching, learning materials. You have to prepare finger puppets, magic wand, vowel hand, or vowel hand puppet, anything that you can, even you can prepare a glove puppet with this, right? But you have to prepare a lot of things, because whenever you introducing them to the children, you have to do it through all these, because that is how the Jollyphonics actually works. Jollyphonics actually works. Okay, so the name of the vowel, the name of the letter is called this long sound. What are the name? A, E, I, O, U. That is the long sound or the name of the letter. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And the sound that we
Vaishnavi
make it
Tarani.
with the action, the sound that we make with actions
Ganda
are
ऊपर
called
गई है
the,
वो.
please mute your audio. Please mute your audio. Short sound. Okay, the sound we make with action, like s, s. So they are the a, ant, a, egg, e, inky, and a. They are your short sound. Is this clear? You have the assignment for tomorrow will be, for the Friday will be, you have to prepare one hand. I will not send you any picture now, because you are just copying it. Don't copy it. You have to make it of your own. The assignments that were given, that was a guideline that we gave. That was a specimen picture. But all of you have copied the same thing. Don't do that.
Yes,
I will not send you any picture. You have to prepare one hand, 5 finger. Now you can make it a stick puppet. You can make it a glove puppet. You can make it in any way, but that should be within your this 5 finger hand. That will be your assignment for Friday. Jain ma'am, please don't send any picture. Just write this.
Sorry, ma'am, for
Okay.
interrupting. Please repeat the assignment.
I will send in the
Assi-
group. Don't worry, I will be sending in the group. Your
She will write
assignment
it in details.
Yeah.
She will write
I
it
will
in
send
detail.
you in the group.
Acha, for the assignments, you have all submitted me. Some of you I have given cross, wrong. Because you have mentioned the word kangaroo and koala. They are not British English origin. Kangaroo comes from Australian English. Koala comes from Australian English, because K is never followed by A. That was how the rule was. Remember? E and I was taken by K, and AOU was taken by C. Remember? Have you all
Yes.
remember? Or I'll go back and I'll show you again.
Yes.
See, K has taken I and E. C has taken A, O, and U. Yes. Then how come K is followed by A? So it is not in the rule. You have to understand English, the modern English is mixed up with Arabic, Portuguese, Italian. There are some French words are there. Latin English is there. Then American English is there. Australian English is there. Norwegian English is there. So then what the English that we speak today is not the authentic English basically. When if you talk to a British person, you will see they never use some words which been spoken, we speak it so widely. Right? So that is the reason why I have given a cross. So never you have to you have to hear the rule. You have to learn the rules. K never comes with A. So whenever this happens, you have to understand what is this an original English word or what is this? Right? Because we will learn about the tricky words also. 72 tricky words are there. So what are the tricky words? They are different. Tricky words are different. We will come to that also. So now you know where you went wrong, why I have given a cross. So group 3, right? Then this is the sample. Please see this. Now with this, you have to create your own imaginations. Whether it will be a stick puppet, it can be a glove puppet, it can be just a flashcard. Okay. Or you can stick the letters in your hand and click picture. So this is what you have to do it. Have you understood the assignment?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
can I?
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me,
Yeah,
ma'am.
and
We have to make puppet or hand.
you have to
Not
make a
clear.
hand. You can draw a hand
Yes.
and stick a stick. Okay, ice cream stick to make it a
Okay.
hand puppet. It can be a hand puppet. The shape will be of hand.
It should not be a finger puppet, no? It can't
It
be a
can
finger.
no. You can put A-E-I-O-U also, finger puppets, and then
We
you
have to
can do
make a
it.
finger puppet or hand puppet, full hand.
You can do it in any which ways. It can be a finger puppet, it can be a hand puppet, it can be a glove puppet, anything.
And ma'am, what about flashcards? We have to draw or like if I have
Basically, when we are doing vowels, we use puppets. So that
Yes.
can be a stick puppet. Okay, one sample I will send. One sample, but don't copy that. Please do not copy that.
Okay, ma'am.
One sample picture we will send, but don't copy that. We will not accept any copy.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So that will be just a sample, but it has to be your hand. Anything to do with your hand. Because it
Okay.
is called the magic vowel hand.
Okay.
So now you know why vowel hand is so special.
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
Is
ma'am.
it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes,
the
ma'am.
rule one is when two vowels, listen to it very carefully. When two vowels, suppose me and Jainji, we are very good friends. In the evening, we go for a walk in the park. And we talk so much, both of us are talking. She's also telling something, I'm also telling. So when both talks together, can anyone hear what is the other one saying?
No, ma'am.
It literally sounds like that we are fighting, right? Then we came to a conclusion. We said, okay, fine. None of us can hear what we are saying. So when I will be on the first and you will come in the second, I will do. Please mute your audio. Please mute your audio. Whose audio is not mute?
Yeah, please, you can start now, Dibjani.
So now what happened? So we came to a conclusion. Said that when I will come first and you will be second, I will do all the talking. You will only listen. You will be quietly listen. You will not talk. Then I said, okay, I will not do the talking, but you cannot also use your sound. Said, why? No, you cannot use your sound. You have to use your name. So we have already learned that vowel has got two sound. Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So vowel has got two sound. What are they? Long,
Long and short.
short sound. So what is the long sound is?
Name
The
of the
name.
Name of the letter.
Name of the letters.
And sound is the?
And short
Long sound.
action.
Yes, sound. And the short sound is the sound with actions, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
the first one, the second one said you can only take your long sound, not your short sound. So he was a little bit sad, said, okay. But again, he said sometimes, not always. Why that? We will come to the letter part. So can we hear a song with this? There is a just a second.
Two vowels are together.
I will share it. Wait. No, the song doesn't go like that.
When two vowels go walking, sometimes the first vowel does the talking. When two vowels go walking, sometimes the first vowel does the talking. They walk together in words like this. The O, A in boat are vowels. When you say the word boat, you only hear the O sound. Boat, boat, boat. The E, A in beat are vowels. When you say the...
Can you hear it properly?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. So what was said? O-A, it should be oa, right? If we go with the sound, oa. But we said boat, we say boat.
Both.
We say boat. Boat. So what is you are hearing? You are hearing the name of the first vowel.
Yes.
That is O.
Yes.
And can you hear the second vowel?
No, ma'am.
No.
Short sound, ma'am.
Can you hear the second sound?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
We can only hear the first vowel, but the name of that vowel, not the short sound.
Yes, ma'am.
So we can only hear the long sound. Similarly, when there is beat, E-A, it should be what? A-A, right? It should be sounded like A. But according to the rule 1, only the first vowel will do the talking. That means you can hear. And the second vowel, A, will keep
Quiet.
quiet. And when you hear the first vowel, will you hear the short sound?
No.
We will only hear the
Name of the
sound. Right? So let's hear again.
word beat, you only hear the E sound. Beat, beat, beat. The A, I in rain are vowels. When you say the word rain, you only hear the A sound. Rain, rain, rain. The O, A in coat are vowels. When you say the word coat, you only hear the O sound. Coat, coat, coat. When two vowels go walking, sometimes the first vowel does the talking. When two vowels go walking, Sometimes the first vowel does the talking. They walk together in words like this. The A, I, and train are vowels. When you say the word train, you only hear the A sound. Train, train, train. The I, E, and pie are vowels. When you say the word pie, you only hear the I sound. Pie, pie, pie. The O, E, and toe are vowels. When you say the word toe, you only hear the O sound. Toe, toe, toe. The E, A, and team are vowels. When you say the word team, you only hear the E sound. Team, team, team. When two vowels go walking, sometimes the first vowel does the talking. Sometimes the first vowel does the talking.
So now you heard this, and have you heard that there was a something which he was mentioning repeatedly? The word sometimes.
Yes,
He was never saying always.
ma'am.
Did he? Said no.
No,
He was saying sometimes.
sometimes.
Yes. So we will come to that also afterwards. So now is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the
Yes,
rule one is, you now know. So now we will come to a definition. It's called diagraph. Okay. So diagraph, last class, many of you, I heard, knew this word. But again, I have to explain it. Maybe many, they don't know. So diagraph is basically when two words, two letters, they come together. They join together. But when we hear a different sound. We hear a different sound. It is no more the sound. Yes. So we hear a different sound. Like when A and I, when they are pronounced, they come together, they are not pronounced as I. They are said A. 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 When C and H, they comes together, can you hear the sound K and H separately? K. It should be K. K. So we hear Ch. So it's a different sound. It's a different sound, right?
Yes,
It forms a different sound. Okay. So then when O and R, they comes together, they again form a different sound.
different
O. O.
sound.
O.
Ah,
O.
ah,
O. Here again there is another rule also that is followed. Why the sound of A and O and E, they changes with the letter R. So they are called diagraph. Okay. Is it diagraph clear with all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Please
ma'am.
mute. Please mute. Please mute.
Yes.
Please mute. Monica ma'am, please mute yourself. Yeah. So when there are two sounds coming together, but they get mixed up like jhalmuri. You make jhalmuri, and what happens then? You get a different taste, right? Similarly, when two letters are coming together, and they are forming a different sound. Okay, they are called diagraph. They are called diagraph. AICHOR, they are diagraphs. Like in AI, what you see? Two vowels, right? two vowels together. In CH, what do you see? What do you notice?
Consonants.
Both are
Consonant.
Both are consonants?
Yes.
Yes. And in OR, what do you see?
One is vowel.
It's a vowel and consonant.
Consonant.
Yes.
Correct. Correct, correct. So this is the way. Now there is a Now when two vowels are giving rise to one single different sound, they are called diphthong. Only when two vowels, they are called diphthong. So all are called digraphs, but all digraphs are not diphthong.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I have a question that when you pronounce digraph, you are pronouncing as diagraph, but the
It's diagraph. It's diagraph. It's
Then-
diagraph.
Then I and A both are together. Then we need
It's
to
diagraph. Yes, diagraph is not a origin. It is a Latin English.
Okay.
Yeah, even with diphthong also.
Okay.
Yeah.
So in
It's
this way,
diagraph.
if both the vowels are together, also we'll pronounce as I and A here.
Because
this
it's
word?
a Latin word. Yes, diagraph. It's diagraph. See, diagraph, no. It's diagraph.
Okay. Okay.
It's diagraph. Here, A and I is not following the rule A. It's not digraph
Okay.
or digraph.
Okay.
So it is diagraph. D-I-A-G-R-A-P-H. It's PH. Whenever you hear PH is a f, which comes from Greek origin, basically. Sorry, not Latin. This is a Greek origin. F means sound. Phone is a sound. Symphony, it's a sound. So diagraph is also a Greek origin word. It's a symphony. It's a sound.
Okay.
Did you get it?
Yeah, I got it. Understood. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So only when two vowels comes together, they are called diphthong. And all other are digraphs. Even the two vowels are also digraph, but they're called diphthong. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Got it? So next we come to group 4. So what is group 4 is? It starts with digraph. And what is this special digraph is also called? What is it called?
Diphthong.
Diphthong, yes.
Diphthong.
Now, when you have a pain in your ear, suppose you have a pain in your ear and somebody is saying, what's your name? Can you hear it clearly? What do you say? What? You're having pain in your ear, na? You cannot hear clearly. We say, na? Again, we say this like this, na? So it is A. Achha, have you ever seen jam and jelly when they're poured from the mold? Have you seen that?
Yes, ma'am.
So what happens when you are pouring it? It makes like this. It shakes. Can you all switch on your video and let's do the action together?
Yes.
Because last time ma'am said that you have to put your switch videos on. So let's do it. Now, the next one is when you get a surprise. When you get a surprise, your students brings you some nice flowers or something. When you get a surprise, what you do? Oh. Or they'd have done some mischief. Oh. 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 Goat. Goat. Oh. Have you ever seen a captain of the ship? How they stand? Aye, aye. They say, aye, aye. Aye, aye. Aye, aye. Aye, aye. And let's become a donkey. The year goes like this. E-aw. E-aw. E. It's not odd. It's not odd. It's E-aw. 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 Oh, wait. It makes a sound, na? E-aw. E-aw. Can you all do it together? Can you all do the action? E-aw. E-aw. Let's hear it. Let's hear it. My ear hurt. My ear hurt. I wasn't in pain. My ear hurt. I wasn't in pain. What did you try to say? What did you try to say? Jelly and jam, jiggling on the blade. Oh, what will I eat with it? Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. Oh, did you see the billy goat? Oh, 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 oh. Did you see the billy goat under the old oak tree? Oak. The captain said aye. The captain said aye. Stand up straight, don't be late. The captain said aye. Sit the donkey in its stall. E-aw, is its call. Is its call. It's the sound of that it makes. Right? Okay. So we will do it from the beginning. We will revise. Then I will show you how to put the sound button. So whatever we have done from last class, can you all summarize that? Who can remember? So the first why Jolly Phonics? No, don't make that sound right now. What is what we have
Ma'am,
learned?
we learned 5 basic skills, Jolly Phonics.
We will be learning 5 basic skills. That is the sound of the letter, formation of the letter,
blending, identify
segmenting.
sound and words,
That is the segmenting. That is called segmenting.
tricky words,
Yes. And the tricky words. So 5 things we are going to learn.
Yes,
So now we are learning the sound of the letters, right?
Yes.
The sound of the letters. And it starts with S sound because S is the most used letter in English. Right? So that is why they have chose that. Next is whenever you are making the child practice the consonant, you have to pick a word which ends with the consonant. Right? It ends with the consonant, and when it ends with the it ends with the consonant because you can hear the purest form of the letter. You can hear the purest sound of the letter because Jolly Phonics teaches you the purest sound. Right? And whenever you are introducing vowels in the class, when you are introducing vowels, it should always be, you have to pick up a word which begins with the vowel, like apple, egg, ink, orange, umbrella, right? Because
Yes.
again, no other word is blocking the sound of that particular letter. Yes. Then we heard the sat pin. Now I'll give you one work here, quick work. Why there might be a question that arises, why not A, B, C, D? Why it is sat pin, right? Now I'll ask you to do one thing, that is a quick share. Right? And so there are six letters and sound. Here 6, here 6. So why with Satpin, not with A, B, C, D, E, F? Again started. Why? Yeah. So now what you do, quickly within 5 minutes, write, make words with Satpin and A, B, C, D, E, F. There will be no addition of word, letter. Only with SATPIN and only with A, B, C, D, E, F. Try and form and see which group helps you to make more words. SAT, no adding letters. It has to be only with SATPIN and it has to be only with ABCDF. Make 2 groups, 2 column. Satpin, 2 column. And the words can be like this.
Ma'am, from the first group, we can make more words.
Yeah, but do it. I know that.
Yes, I'm doing.
I know that. That is the reason why I gave that. Okay. Write it in your paper. Write it in a because these are all will add up to your marks.
Done, ma'am.
Done? So tell me which group is letting you to form more words than the other one.
Ma'am,
Yes.
More
That,
word.
yes, that is the reason.
Pin,
That
pin, pin,
Can I
Pen,
request, can
pen.
I request you stop scribbling on the board?
Tap,
Please,
Please
and
mute
tap.
please
and
mute.
please mute yourself.
Please mute yourself. I cannot hear
It's
anything.
very loud. Nobody will able to hear anything.
You.
If you have any question, any suggestion, then please unmute
Then only
yourself.
unmute yourself, please. And please stop writing on the whiteboard.
One sec.
Yeah. Because if all of us talk together, you know, then it becomes too loud. Okay. So that is the reason why Jollyphonic starts with the SATPIN. Because you are giving the children the more exposures to more number of words. Like the research has shown that Jollyphonics, the other three phonics that we have learned, analytic, analogy, and embedded, they three helps a 10 years old child to learn only 7,000 words. Till the age of 10, the child learns only 7,000 words. But Jollyphonics, where if you teach the method of Jollyphonics, a child till the age of 10 years, they learn, do you know how many words?
30,000.
You are all
39.
smart. You know
30.
more than me. 30,000. So I hope half of them you have done Jollyphonics early.
Ma'am, you have shared
Yes,
that
ma'am.
information that day. You have only said that, ma'am.
So you remember.
Yes, ma'am, you have
Good,
shared it the last class.
good,
Very
good,
good.
good, good. Very good. So that is what? 30,000. So that is the reason we are learning Jollyphonics. Now we have done group 3, right? Now we will learn, there is one rule that is called, please stop this scribbling, floss rule. Okay, floss rule. What is this? Whenever you have, I'll write the definition. I'll write the definition. Good. In a short word with a short, you know all short vowel sound right now? Short vowel sound. If it ends with F, L, S, or Z, it gets doubled. Now, can you tell me what is it? In a short word. So what is the short word? Suppose I'm writing. Here I is pronounced as E. It's short vowel.
Yes.
And when I'm ending it with S, it gets doubled.
Yes. Yes.
Miss.
Hush.
Bluff.
Fill. His.
Ball.
This.
Ball has a different rule. No, ball will not come because here A is sound as ah. It is not sounding, yeah, it is not sounding, it's not ba. It will be bell. Genji, please check this out. How this is moving. Somebody is moving it. It has gone up. Anjali, ma'am, please don't do this. Yes. So this is called floss rule. This is called floss rule. You all being a teacher, please. Floss rule. Right? So whenever a short, oh God. Whenever there is a short word with a single syllable, ending with S, L, F, and Z, that they gets doubled. It has to be a short single vowel. Okay? Not double, no double consonants. It should be one short vowel in a short word. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, please once again repeat.
Yes. In a short word, you know what is a short word is? With a single syllable. Okay? And you are having a short vowel. What is a short vowel sound?
A, E, I, O, U.
Is that a short vowel sound?
A. This is vowel E, and the short vowel sound is
Short.
the long
A, E, O, A. That is a short vowel sound. So, and with a
Learn
short
reduction.
vowel sound, when the word ends with F, L, S, or Z, this letter gets doubled. They become double. See the example here. It gets doubled. Am I clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any questions? We will do some sound button. So today we have learned some word 3 and 4, right? Now, when you are asked to put a sound button, how will you do it? How many sound you can hear?
Three. Ma'am, when we have 3.
Why 3? Why not 4?
Because I sound as
Ah,
one sound.
is it ran? It is ran.
Rain.
Ha, I
And
am
it's one sound, ma'am.
Because two vowels are together. Ma'am,
What
A and
sound?
B are
One.
together.
Yes.
So we can hear only one sound of A only.
Yes, and you have to put a button down there. You have to underline it and then put a button on it. What about
Three, ma'am.
so?
three sound.
Three sounds here.
Three sound, ma'am. Three sounds.
Three sounds.
Four sounds.
So make sure that with this, you have to underline and then put the button under that. Okay? You
Yes,
have to underline it and then mention the number of the sound. Clear? Now, any question? So we have learned today a lot of things. We have done a lot of things. Let's hear a question answer session. Anything else you want to know?
Ma'am, small
Just
confusion from my side.
yes, of course.
As I know, the diagrams we are having only 5 diagrams, and even we won't
Why
be
5
combining.
diagrams?
We
Why
won't
5
combine
diagrams?
diphthongs, no, ma'am. Diphthongs and digraphs are not same, no.
Who said?
Even in the, I mean, even when we search, also we are getting their no, both are not same.
They are same. All diphthongs are digraphs.
Then oi, ow, those belongs to what, ma'am?
So oi is what basically?
Oi, oil, oi.
Yeah.
Boy.
That is, they are not diphthongs.
Then they come under which category?
They are not digraphs also. They because they do not follow the rule of 2 vowels going together. That is the reason when I said sometimes 2 vowels together says one, the first sound. In OI is an exception. They don't follow this rule. We say oi, right? OU, ow. Correct. They are not diphthongs. Though they form single sound, but they do. Sorry, you get me. I'm getting confused. They are diphthongs. They are diphthongs, and they are digraphs because they are forming one single sound, but they are not following the rule of 2 vowels walking together.
But O and U.
That's
they
what,
both
ma'am. 2 vowels together, they will call them as a vowel team, no?
2 vowels together is a different thing. They are forming single different sound where first vowel is doing the talking, the second vowel is keeping quiet.
We will call them as a vowel team, no?
You can call it vowel team. You can call it. No, it doesn't mean that you have to call it in Jollyphonics. We don't call it a vowel team.
Then what about the digraphs like CH, SH, TH?
They are vowel. They are consonant to consonant. They are not diphthongs.
They are making different sound, no, ma'am?
Yeah, single sound. So whenever two sound coming together and forming a different sound, they are diphthongs. Digraphs. They are digraphs. Digraph means what? When you are hearing a different sound from two sound. That is a diphthong is. Yes, a digraph is. See, I write it again.
We can do it on a sheet or it's board. We can do it. Yeah.
See, I said, now I showed you this PPT. Just wait. I'll share it. I've shared it. Maybe you have not seen that. So what is this? CH? Can we hear K and her separately?
No, ma'am. My question is AI, OA, double O, double E, EA.
They are digraphs. Sorry, they are diphthongs. They are separately called diphthongs here. AI, OA, IE. They are called diphthongs because 2 vowels giving rise to one single sound. They are
what
diphthongs.
about OI, OY also I'm asking.
That is what I'm saying. OI is a digraph and OU is also a digraph because with those 2, they are also forming a single sound. Whenever 2 sounds coming together to form one different single sound, they are into digraph category. They are into digraph category.
But as per my knowledge, because from past 5 years I'm teaching, as per my knowledge, I know digraphs means we are having 5 brothers.
No. In Jollyphonics, it doesn't say that they have 5 brothers. Sorry, even I'm also teaching for last 10 years. I'm into 35 years into this profession.
That's what I got confused. That's why I'm asking you
Yeah.
properly.
No. So that is where, because these are all analytic and embedded phonics that you have learned. They're restricting you.
Okay.
Because digraphs means two sounds coming together to form a single sound.
This combination is wrong.
It can be consonant to consonant. It can be consonant to vowel.
Vowel to vowel.
It can be vowel and consonants. Right? And OI and OU, they do not follow. Can you please mute? Because this is a very difficult thing that I'm explaining. Please. OI and OU are the two exceptions which do not follow the vowel rule. Two vowels walking together rule. They are separate, but they are digraphs. They are digraphs. They are digraphs because together they are forming a different sound. Am I now clear? It is not a group of 5 brothers. Digraphs are only when two sounds coming together to form one single sound.
And ma'am, one single sound, that sound is different, or the like?
It is of course a different sound. Because in AI, the sound should be I, right?
Yes.
So wherever, whatever, but here what we are saying, A. O-A, O-R, O-R. No, it is O. So digraphs is two sounds together because then again there comes blending. When blendings are both also similarly we are pronouncing it together. But in blending, two sounds are heard separately. Am I clear now the difference?
Okay, yes ma'am.
Yeah, yes ma'am.
So digraphs are strictly all the sounds that is together making one single sound. But good, this is a very nice class. I can feel like a lot of question is going to come. And this is a good for a trainer. Anything else that I can explain? Is it clear now? Have I clarified your doubt?
Yes, you have clarified. Yeah, thank you.
But I think still you are a little bit confused, right?
No.
But I will send you the detailed note. When you get the detailed note, you will read it and then you will understand it more clearly.
Sure.
Ma'am, digraphs and diphthongs, they are like very confusing topics, yes, ma'am. All the time.
No,
Yes.
digraphs, just remember one thing. Digraphs, all are digraphs, those two sounds when they are coming together to form one single different sound. That's it. It can be TH, it can be TH, it can be CH, right? AR, ER.
Okay.
Like in ER and AR, they are being ruled by the bossy R, right? They have they're changing the sound of the vowel. But still they are digraph.
Okay, got it.
Right?
Any other questions from anyone? We are here only. You can ask n number of questions. No need to worry.
Yes.
Ma'am?
Yeah,
Yes.
please.
Ma'am, group 3 sounds again you telling, ma'am. 3 sounds, ma'am. Again you telling, ma'am.
What, group 3?
3 sounds, ma'am.
I'm not understanding.
Devjani ji, we can revise group 1, 2, and 3 for the time being.
How many times? I've just now did it.
Just for revision purpose, we can do it again.
Group 3. So whenever the wash basin is there, right? Put a plug into it and fill the wash basin with water, right? You plug it out, and what kind of sound you can hear? It's a gargling sound. G g g g g g g g g g g g g g, right? Whenever you are switching on, g g g g g. Yes. Switching on and off. How do you do it? See? Umbrella. 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 Leaking the lollipop. Right? When those plastic ball and plastic fish, they get a small hole and the air starts coming out, and you pressure it to make it more flat quickly. So it makes a noise. Not for. It's then it is ba 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 ba. Do you want to hear this? Can you hear it?
The water gurgles
you hear
down the
it?
drain. The water gurgles down the
Yes,
drain.
ma'am.
Water gurgles down the drain with a gurg 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 gurg. Now it's time to light up. Oh 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 oh. Time for when the lights go on. Oh 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 oh. Up umbrellas, up umbrellas, up umbrellas, then it starts to rain. We lick our lollipops, we lick our lollipops. Oh, 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 we lick our lollipops. My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole, the air came out of it. Bring your bat and bring your ball, bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play.
So, got it now?
Yes, ma'am.
I will send you a note on digraph and diphthong. It will clear it more.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So, any more questions? Diphthong and digraph, I'll send notes.
Nutanji, can we have some few words from you?
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Highlight. Genji can
suggestions.
highlight, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
First of all, thank you, Mrs. Das, for this informative session. And two things I would like to suggest, as ma'am is also requesting you again and again, please off your mic while you are speaking, then only make it on.
Yeah, that's the same thing we were saying since the start of the class, actually.
It is a good sentence for the teachers, while ma'am repeated ke you are teachers. Hello. So this one sentence is sufficient. And moreover, for scribbling problem, we found one solution. On our screen, we are having one sign at the bottom of right hand where we can lock our screen And if we are getting your point by you are scribbling because you want to turn your screen.
एक मिनट. Yeah.
Am I right, Twinkle ma'am?
Yeah.
There is
Actually,
this
we have
sign
to, if
on-
I stop that scribbling now, so even Devjani ji can't be able to write on the screen. That's why I can do as a host.
As a admin or as a host, you can stop for everyone. But that will be the problem for ma'am. But
Yeah, that's the same thing I am saying. Even Devjani ji won't be able to write then.
Yes, yes. But as an individual, this joiner, we can lock it from the bottom right side. One sign is there. So we can stop it. So we'll try by tomorrow to stop it from there.
Yes, yes, yes.
And thank you again, Mrs. Das.
Thank you.
Because few new things also I learned today.
And if
I
there
will
are
give
any
you a
doubts remaining,
detail notes on everything.
yeah,
Okay, because see, whatever we have learned, there are some conservative phonic system. Okay, but Jolly Phonic has opened up a new horizon, a new area. So there might be a contradiction of what we have learned earlier, because see, even when I started my career, we learned phonics in a different way. We learned it in such a rigid way and a conservative way. So, but now when Jolly Phonic has came, they have given a lot of understanding, lot of logic. So there is a lot of contradictions, and there might be some rigidity and conservativeness will come, but there again there are logic and there are answers to all these. So that is why, because Jolly Phonic is making the children learn things much easier way than making it very difficult. Because sound, earlier it was, if you see, when we started career as a teacher, we used to do it like cat, bat, hat, rat, mat. Go and learn. CAT, cat. Children used to learn like that. CAT, 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 BAT, bat, like this. But now the things have changed, because even the board wants the children to come out of this rote learning zone. So when you are giving a proper logic, why this segment? Earlier, we never used to do this segmenting, blending, tricky words. There was nothing as such. Because when I started my career, this was not there. CAT, 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 a cat, at a bat. This is how we used to teach. So this purest form of sound, when I learned, it was f, it wasn't f, it was f. Now I cannot even say f. F, l, ma. But Jolly Phonic has changed the concept and the perspective of sound in a different league altogether.
And we will be solving every doubt. If any doubts are there, if we need an extra one class, we will take that also. Don't worry. We are here. Till you people don't understand Jolly Phonics, we won't go anywhere.
No, of course not. Even after the classes also, even after the class,
doubt, we can take one class after 15 days also. That's not a problem. Don't worry. Nutanji will take the test, and if everybody passes, then only we can move forward.
Yeah.
And we will be sending the assignment in the group. Any doubts, any queries?
I will be sending the sound button worksheets today itself. Yeah, please write your name. And the assignment, another assignment is your hand puppet. Please make sure that do not copy. We will send you a sample, but do not copy that.
The sample will be the just reference pic, not to copy it as it is. Any other doubt from any other educator, please let us know. Thank you, Nutanji. Thank you, Devjani ji, for joining us.
Thank you.
We'll be meeting again on Friday.
On Friday.
And please write your doubts, any queries on the sheet, so that we
are
can
there
discuss
to
it
answer
on Friday. Yeah. Sending the assignment and notes in the group also. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Nutanji.
Thank you, ma'am.
Devjani ji.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.